Whispers float on silver streams, softly weaving through the dreams. In the hush where shadows blend, silent tears begin to mend. Fading light in twilight's hold, stories whispered, never told. Echoes of a quiet mind drift away, no ties that bind. Floating through the endless night, finding peace within the light. Breathless moments, calm and deep, where the soul can softly weep. Let the silence heal the pain, till the sun will shine again. Fading stars and gentle sighs, resting now beneath the sky.